Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martridge here with your outlook for the weekend, July 25th and 26th, 2015. We're going to start off with Saturday with another mostly sunny day. Humidity is going to go up slightly from what it was the previous couple of days, but it won't be till later in the day. And we're looking at, for the most part, our last maybe fourth consecutive day now of low humidity and mostly sunny skies. Temperatures will creep up a little bit from what they were over the past couple days. We saw that increase on Friday, and we're seeing another 2 to 3 degree increase in high temperatures here on Saturday. Today, on Saturday will actually be the coolest day of the next 6 days here, it looks like, as we're going to be heading into another heat wave as we head into especially in the middle of next week. We'll get into that in a minute here. Here's late in the day on Saturday. All the focus of convection is going to be well to the northwest of our coverage area here, out into northwestern New York here and northwestern Pennsylvania. So not expecting any precipitation at all here on Saturday. Then we get into Sunday. Moving ahead, there's going to be a cold front that's going to attempt to move through here. Late in the day, you could have some scattered showers and thunderstorms. This will be very late in the day. I don't think this is going to be something that's going to interfere with any plans here, or many plans, I should say, outdoor plans. The best chance for that to occur would be in our northern areas across northeast PA all the way back to about State College. We're going to go over to the NAM high-res future simulator radar, where I want to take a look at that just to give you an idea what we're looking at. Here is 8 p.m. Again, just our western areas here. Here's State College. Out in the western areas here, you may have a scattered shower or thunderstorm move through here. Again, this is 8 p.m. that we're looking at right here. As we go over to the next frame to 11 p.m., it looks like it's trying to get a line together here, but these are just isolated thunderstorms. 11 p.m. at night. So, again, most of the day is rain-free, partly cloudy, an increase in humidity here on Sunday. But temperatures will go up as well. Some areas might get close to or even hit the 90-degree mark here on Sunday. As we get into, beyond that point, get into Monday, here's the overnight hours where those showers and thunderstorms finally rotate through. These storms, by the way, as we get into past this point, are going to end up falling apart. Okay, and then this will just be in the overnight hours here. Then you get a few showers or a thunderstorm. This would be Sunday night into the wee hours in the morning, Monday morning. Going beyond this point here, getting into Monday, going to have a frontal boundary. You can see this model guides have been slowly weakening this feature over the last couple days here. It is a dissipating front, decaying front, so whatever's left of there, if there is a boundary left there, it could become the focus of an isolated shower or thunderstorm. It will be a very isolated chance, much like Sunday. So we're really not dealing with too much in the way of precipitation. The focus of any showers or thunderstorm activity, albeit isolated, would be across our southern areas. And that also would be the focus of that would be a little bit earlier in the day, it looks like, rather than later. And then you get into Tuesday, nothing going on here on Tuesday. Should be another day that's back to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures are going to increase again, so we're going to be, if you haven't hit 90 by now, you probably will by Tuesday. And then you get in the same deal here on Wednesday, getting into the low to mid 90s in some places. Let's just go over the temperature map here. I want to get into that real quickly. Here is a look at the middle of the week here, and you can see there's a very large area here. There's all these grays here you're seeing here. These are all temperatures in the low to mid 90s, so very, very warm across our coverage area. Heat and humidity will be running rampant by the time we get to the middle of the week. Random heat indices getting close to 100 degrees, if not exceeding it, especially down here towards the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Once again, could be dealing with another heat wave in consecutive weeks. Now, this is not abnormal for this time of year, so I don't want to make it sound like this is unprecedented or anything, but it is a heat wave nonetheless, and we definitely have to use caution when we're in heat waves. Here we go into Thursday now. I think it's going to be your peak heating day, just because you have your southwesterly winds ahead of another approaching cold front, and that is going to send temperatures in most places again in the low to mid 90s with heat indices that are going to be pretty high with some very high dew points realized in this area here. Here's our cold front that's moving through here, but this is going to be coming in a little bit late, I think, and because it's coming in later in the day, we're going to have the opportunity for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Again, the best forcing is going to be well up to the north, so you might not have too much in the way of precipitation along this frontal boundary here. You see this is kind of weakening as it moves to the east here, and really not much left of it. Now, one feature I do want to show you here, this is the one model's depiction here of a hurricane, or at least at this point it's a strong tropical storm about to become a hurricane that is rapidly taking off in the northeast. There's only one model showing this. We'll keep an eye on this system. The several other models that are not very favorable with this keeps this relatively weak or keeps it in the Gulf of Mexico. There's a couple different scenarios. The ensembles for this particular model really does not agree with its operational run here. So you're seeing some things out there about potential hurricane threatening the East Coast here. Even so, it takes it off to the northeast and away from land, which will just be an ooh-ah type storm here that's just increasing the wave swells along the shore points here, if that were to occur. So right now there's no model showing any kind of impact. We will monitor the situation though, just in case, but I don't think it's going to be affecting the East Coast as shown here. This is probably the extreme outlier, but again, it's something we have to keep an eye on and monitor. Just in case. But enjoy the weekend. Fantastic weekend coming up here with nothing but mostly sunny skies here Saturday, becoming partly cloudy Sunday with an increase in humidity, and the temperatures go up as well. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich, and that is your outlook for the weekend, July 25th and 26th, 2015. Have a great Saturday.